Hi guys. If I had to cover sequence and series in one day, I guess this would be the video to cover it. If you're coming in from another Algebra 2 class and you're looking for like a real comprehensive video on how to do a lot of things, this is not the video that you want to be watching. We've got one day to try to cover some information because we're out of time before our state standardized test, but hey, what do you do? We have no other option here. So here are some basic skills that we need to understand. Skill number one, write the first four terms of a sequence. Okay, so what I want you to understand here is whenever you see a subscript n, that a subscript is not a power. This is different than like a to the n power. So we're not talking like x squared or x to the fourth. We're not doing anything like that. Okay, the n is just a label. N stands for which term in the sequence are you talking about. Hopefully that sounds familiar from geometry class. So if I say then the first four terms, really what I want to know is like what is the A1, what is A2, what is A3, and what is A4. That is, A is the term, 1 means it's the first term, 2 means it's the second, third, and fourth term. So all we're going to do then, you can see the n here is going to get replaced by a 1, so we're going to replace the n in the formula with the 1. So if we have A1, the first term of the sequence is then, looking at the formula, 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1 is 0. You can put that in your calculator if you don't believe me. Second term, what is a sub 2? Well, that would be 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 squared is 4, and minus 4 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Third term is 3 squared, which is 9, minus 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And then the last term we have, a sub 4, would be 4 squared, which is 16, minus 2 times 4, which is minus 8, plus 1. 16 minus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the first four terms in this series would be, in the sequence would be 0, 1, 4, and 9. So there's the first skill, is just to understand the notation here, and when you see this, the n really tells us which number in the pattern are we talking about. Hopefully that makes sense. There's your first video for today.